Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Discord on PC. So to start, you just have to open any web browser and then you will then just have to type out Discord and then just have to click on enter and then you'd be able to see this website right here, the first one. So you will then just have to click on it. Okay, so just click on this website and then you'd be redirected to this page. Now, where you can belong to a school club, a gaming group, or a worldwide art community where just you and a handful of friends can spend time together, a place that makes it easy to talk to everybody. Now, just click on this download for Windows or you can open Discord in your browser. You can choose any of the two. Now, you just have to click on this login button at a tab. Now, right here, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the information about Discord. Now you just have to simply click on the sign up button right here and then you can now create your account. So you just have to type out your email, your display name, your username, and then your password, and of course your date of birth. Okay, now to start, let us now type out our email right here. Make sure that the email that you are going to use is an active email. Okay, so for example, chismays@gmail.com, and then you just have to type out your display name. So this is how others see you, so you can use special characters and emoji. Now you just have to type out your username right here, so you can use this suggestion. And of course, once you're done with your username, you can now type out your password right here. Okay, so just simply type out your password. Make sure that you remember your password, and then after typing out your password, you will then just have to select your birth month and then the day of your birthday, and of course the year. Okay, so let me just fill this out, and once you're done, you will then just have to check this box right here and then click on continue. Now you just have to make sure to answer this captcha, so just click on this box again to check it, and then just have to find all of the needed information right here. So this is to check if you're human or a robot. So just have to click on verify, and then you'd be directed right here, so you can now create your first Discord server. So right here you can create your own, or you can go with a gaming, school club, study group, friends, or artisan creators, so local communities. You can create any of the server. Now I'm just going to create my own, so for example for a club or community, or for me and my friends. So you just have to select any of this two, so I'll be going to use this one. Now you can customize your server right here, so give your server personalities. You can upload your profile photo. You just have to click on it and then go to your folder and then select your photo. Then once you're done, you just have to type out your server name and then click on next. And then right here you can now start a conversation, so that gets you ready to talk. So you just have to type out right here your topics, for example drawing, fashion. So you just have to type out your topic right here. Then once you're done, you will then just have to click on done. Okay, that's right. Now right here your server is ready, so welcome, you belong here. You just have to click on this right here. Now you can invite your friends, and here at the left side you can go with the general, and then you can click on this plus icon to add a text channel, and for the voice channel as well, so you just have to click on this plus icon. Now going to the direct messages, so you'd be able to see the messages from your friends, and when you click on your channel, you can see your channel, and you can also add a server, and you've got different options right here at the left side, so you just have to explore it. Now you just have to send the link of this to invite your friends to join your server. So just copy the link, and you can personalize your server with an icon, so you just have to click on it, and then right here you just have to upload your image. So this is your server overview. And right here, you've got different options right here for the inactive channel. You just have to explore all of this right here to make your server active as possible. So for the rules, you can create rule. You can also go to the emoji and then upload emoji. You've got sticker section right here. So you can also do that. Now for the soundboard, you can upload a sound. Now you can also enable server widget, and you can also go with a server template. And then right here below, you can go ahead and explore more of this. Now let's try to send our first message. So you just have to click on it. And then right here, you will then just have to type out your message and it will be sent to your server. So for example, hi, you can also download the Discord for Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Apple iOS, and for Android. Okay, so you can add your first app as well. So you just have to click on it and then just click on check it now. Okay, and then right here below, you can go ahead and turn on your microphone. You can also go with the speakers. You can also go for the user settings. So when you click on the user settings, so right here you'll be able to see your account. So you can edit your display name, your username, your email, and then below you can also change your password or disable or delete your account. Right here in the profile, so you'd be able to see the details of your profiles. If you want to change anything, so you can do that as well. For the pronouns, you would like to add a pronoun, so for example she or he, so you can do that. And if you would like to upload your avatar, so you just have to click on change avatar, and you can also change the decoration. So there are a lot of options actually that you can actually edit, so you just have to explore. And for the profile effect as well, so you can add a profile effect. Okay, so right here below you can also change your profile banner, and if you think everything is okay now, you can save your changes. And for the privacy and safety, you can direct message from friends, so you can show that or disable that section. So you've got different switches right here that you can actually turn on. And for the family center, you can stay informed about how your teen is using Discord. For the authorized apps, devices, and then you also have your connections. Okay, for chips, so Discord has a lot of options, so you can also click on this logout button if you want to log out on Discord. So just click on logged out if you want to confirm your actions. Okay, so right here, going back to your account, so if you think you don't have a profile picture, so you can add that as well. And then if you think everything is fine, let us now exit this section and then log out our account if you think you don't need it anymore. And if you would like to log in, make sure you remember your email and of course your password. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.